I bet this is a 10 minutes game changing veggie delight. Hey there foodies, welcome to my channel Anagha Kashyap. Today let's make a delicious Brinjal Pacchadi in just 10 minutes without any oil or artificial powders. Here we are going to use the homemade ghee. Cut one brinjal and soak it in water. Chop 3 onions, 2 tomatoes, 8 garlic cloves, 3 green chilies and a handful of coriander leaves. Add a pinch of pink salt to taste. In a pan, heat some ghee and sauté, which means dry onions until golden. It's a method to dry the onion. Add garlics, tomatoes, coriander and chilies. Cook until the mixture thickens. Now add the brinjals to the pan, cover and cook until tender. Blend the first mixture in a mixer jar. Add the cooked brinjal and stir once. Mix both mixtures and heat slightly. And that's it. Your Brinjal Pacchadi is ready to serve. No masala needed, still super yummy. Try it now and let me know in the comments below.